let's take a look at how to make a quick and easy camera shake transition. So you're going to want to first go over to Toolbox, Effects, and make a new adjustment clip. You're going to want to put it over the two clips you want to transition between, and then you're going to change the duration. We're going to make it 8 frames. Make sure you hit frames. And then you're going to drag that and put it between the two clips. Next up, we're going to want to go ahead and go to Open Effects and search up Camera Shake. You can take that and put that on your adjustment clip. Then we're going to go into Effects. We're going to crank the motion scale up, crank the speed scale up, and the motion blur. Then we're going to adjust the shake levels. So pan amplitude is going to make a sideways shake. Tilt amplitude is going to go up and down. And you may notice there's some black bars where the image moves out of frame. What you can do is scroll down, border type, and hit reflect. As you can see, they're gone now. It's just a reflection. So you can mess around with the settings under shake level to get the shake how you want it to be. If you want just a pan, so like just a side shake, you can do that. Just turn the tilt amplitude down. So let's take a look at how this looks. So that looks pretty good. So yeah, that's all you need. Here's the settings I ended up going with for the 2 transitions in the intro video. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment what you want to see next, and subscribe for more.